Hello everyone, welcome to my natural studio again. And today in the afternoon, when I came this area, I see there is a new pond here. The people are digging pond, especially the farmer. You are watching the farmer of this pond was sitting on the machine, but right now he has down, and the owner of this machine is digging pond right now. And it was another pond, and it was dug yesterday at night, but right now he is also digging another pond here. I think it will be huge pond, and after some days he will cultivate some fishes here. And I think the fish will be grow up here because it's a land, and it was not a pond here, but right now there is a huge pond, and it was a new pond. I think if the farmer cultivate the fish will go up within short time. And also, if you watch, there is a tractor over there, and I'm standing beside the tractor, and that's why I have come here specially. I'm feeling very proud because I'm living in the place right now. That's why I'm feeling proud. If you stay in the place, you will get this kind of situation. You will feel mind-blowing environment, natural environment. You can watch natural environment. The people of the city can't watch this kind of things, especially about the natural beauty. They don't go to natural beauty, they don't enjoy the natural beauty, but we can enjoy the natural beauty. Why? Because we live in the countryside, we live in the place. So I live in the countryside, that's why I love my country very much, I love my place very much. And people are planting rice trees over there. You're watching also, there is a gate here. If I show you, planting some rice trees, within short time the rice will also grow up. And that's all I will say. That's all from here. Just I thought that if I practice just for a few minutes beside the machine, I think it will be good things for me, and my dear and my confidence will be grow up for speaking English. And if I will say that if you want to speak English fluently, you have to do this kind of things. You have to face this kind of situation. You have to go to the public place all the time, and you can speak English like that. If you practice like that, you can speak English fluently. So my dear brothers and sisters, if you think my practice session was very good for me, and if you think, yeah, I should practice like that, and if you agree with me, so never ever forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I will see you very soon with this kind of practice session from the public place. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.